up, guys? This is Scott with Wandering the Wilderness, and I have another product review here for you. This one comes from a company that I recently found on Etsy. It is Moab Fire Rock, and what they have is a awesome hand-forged flint and steel fire kit. So this kit comes with a good-sized metal tin. This is larger than your standard Altoids tin, and it has a Ranger band around it. Inside each kit, remove the Ranger band, you're going to find a card from Moab Fire Rock, and a picture on the back shows you how to use a flint and steel and the right angle to hold. A bag of cedar bark, a couple pieces of char cloth, a hank of jute twine, a piece of flint or chert, 2 pieces, and then the steel itself. Now these are hand forged steels, and the product was well wrapped. It was wrapped in a bubble packaging as well as a padded envelope, and hand forged steel has a twist on each end on this steel, and I also got a secondary steel that has one has a twist and the other one comes to a spike. So what I thought I would do today was to demonstrate how to use a flint and steel to build a fire with this Moab Fire Rock. I'm going to use the steel and the flint that come with it, but instead what I have done is I have collected my own cedar bark and processed that down. When you cut it off the tree, it looks a lot like this. Then you just twist it up like a bicycle to expose all of those fibers. Alright, I've already done that with this. This is a piece of char cloth that I have already made myself out of 100% cotton material. Let me go ahead and show you before we fire this up to how well these suckers spark. Alright. I hope you guys can see all those sparks on camera. So what I tend to do is I hold my rock with my index finger and my thumb, and I hold my char cloth underneath between my index finger and my middle finger. So when I strike down, I'm throwing sparks down onto the char cloth. Alright, let's see if we can get this going. There we go. Alright, got my char cloth hit. Getting that ember to be a little bigger. Gonna tuck that into my bird nest of the cedar bark. Sometimes what I like to do, because this is a thin material, I'm gonna put a second piece right on top of where it is charring. Okay? Alright, then I'm gonna fold my bird nest over my char cloth and work on blowing that into flame. Then you can turn it over. Hopefully you guys can see that well. So flint and steel fire is probably one of my favorite ways to start fire. And this fire kit from Moab Fire Rock, it does the trick. Has everything you need: cedar bark, jute twine, char cloth, flint, steel, and a great tin to continue making your own char cloth. So I'm going to highly recommend this product. I'm going to leave the link in the description. You're looking at $20–25 for a hand forged steel that works and has been tested and everything you need to build a fire. So Moab Fire Rock, check them out. Thanks for watching this episode from Wandering the Wilderness on Moab Fire Rock. If this looks like something you would be interested in getting, I'm going to leave the link in the description box below directly to their Etsy account where you can pick one up yourself. Thanks for watching. God bless.